Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. If you're watching this video, then I decided to release it. Anyway, it's a cooler day here in the Canadian Maritimes. Winter is once again getting ready to visit us. Anyway, the video title you saw in the thumbnail, can't we just be happy? I'm sure our society in general is like this. I know it is because I watch the news. I watch other YouTubers covering political and things going on in the world. But ham radio, let's focus on ham radio. Can't we just be happy? Really, can we not just be happy? You know, I've been doing a lot of videos on worldwide award, parks on the air, digital, and there's always a segment, and it varies depending on the topic, of hams that are just not happy. They're not happy that other people are enjoying things. They're not, I put a post on our local radio club's Facebook page the other day about what we're doing here in the province for worldwide award, and somebody had to get on there and say, well, stay off the work bands. Can't just people be happy? I call them now the crusties. That's my new name for people like that, the crusties. You can choose to be happy. Just be happy for people. Be happy that somebody enjoys digital ham radio. Be happy that somebody enjoys contesting. Be happy that somebody enjoys rag chewing. Be happy that somebody enjoys, CW. Be happy that somebody enjoys satellite. Instead of trying to knock them down to your level, just be happy for them. Again, it may not be your cup of tea, something, but that doesn't give you the right to complain, bitch, call people down, say that they're any less of a ham because they don't have Morse code. Who died and made you the king of ham radio? Really, answer that question. I see too many people complain about ham radio operators that don't get their Morse code license, that they're less of a ham. Well, who died and made you the king of ham radio or the queen of ham radio? Can't you just be happy? If an old guy enjoys going out to a park and doing parks on the air, again, that may not be your thing, but it doesn't give you the right to downplay his or her enjoyment in the hobby. I like contesting. You may not. It doesn't give you the right to downplay me because I like contesting. I'm not going to say, oh, you're just a rag chewer. You're less of a ham because you just like to get on there and talk. It doesn't matter. Enjoy ham radio the way you want to enjoy ham radio. Yes, I have to admit, because I'm not holy in any way. I permitted sad hams from infiltrating my brain and trying to warp my thoughts. But it wasn't until I made myself aware that I was allowing that to happen. So, can't we just be happy? It's like anything in life. Be happy with your spouse. Be happy with your job. If you don't, make a change. If you're crusty, I love that word, crusty. If you're a crusty and you don't enjoy ham radio, get out of the hobby. Go find something else to do. Take up fishing. Get into model building. If ham radio upsets you that much, turn off the radio. Or just watch Callum's video from the other day about refining the joy in ham radio. Anyway, nobody died and made you the king of ham radio, and it's a decision if you want to be happy. Again, if you're watching this video, I decided to put it out. If you're not watching it, then I just made it for myself because I need to get that out of my brain. But if you feel that if you feel that there's a change warranted, instead of bitching about it, take up the lead and make the change. If you don't like the fact that Worldwide Award is on the work bands, take it up with Radio Amateur Canada or ARRL or your governing body and say, hey, can we petition these guys to make a change? Instead of bitching, act. And again, nobody made you the king of ham radio. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Go ahead, all you complainers. Leave your comments below. I appreciate the support from the few that support this channel. I really, really do. It makes it worthwhile. See you guys in the next video.